In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can play Roblox with a controller on PC in just few easy steps. So for the first step, if you open Roblox, you will see a dashboard like this. Now, you need to simply click on this Windows icon at the bottom side. And here you will get this search bar. You can search for Bluetooth. Open this and here you will see this option to add your device. Click on that add device and here you can select Bluetooth. If you click on it, it will start detecting your device. Then it will start showing your device here. You can simply click on it and try to connect it. So now for the other case, if you want to connect controller with wire, what you can do is you can simply again click on that Windows icon and here you can search for setup USB game controllers. You can open it and here you will see your controller status. You need to click on that advanced and here you will see your preferred device. You can open this bar and simply select your controller from here. After selecting it, click OK and it will be added. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can play Roblox with a controller on PC in just few easy steps.